as well as the places here, we've got what I think they call it a castle. Looks more like a fort, and of course loads of places to eat. And over there, the boat behind is the Jolly Roger, like a pirate ship. That looks good. Really nice, very clean. Of course it's out of season really, so there's a lot of work going on. It looks like oh, it's a boat. And there's someone diving over there. You won't be able to see him. There's somebody diving there. There's a diver in the water. Yeah. So have a look at the boats here. I wonder if it's a dredger, some form of dredger that. I'm not sure. Oh, it's not that deep. But they're obviously checking it and doing whatever work they do. He's standing on a rock or something there, I think. And the guy who was diving, he's up on the boat now. And over there is some ruins. I didn't notice them before. Really nice. Awesome sauce. So we're in the fort now, as you can tell, or I should say castle, or a castle fort. There's the entrance. There's a Gingy. Ooh. It's very interesting design. Look at that. nicely lit. The ambience is lovely. So the ambient lighting anyway. I'll see you in a bit, Jill. So I'm leaving Jill because she can't get upstairs. So I'll be going up there in a bit, but first I'll go and have a look at this side. Could store me wine in there. I haven't got any wine, by the way, but a good start. So pretty much similar on this side as well, isn't it? I'm glad this is wide angle lens to get all that in. Let's have a look in here. Why this was so empty. So I'm gonna go up them stairs if nobody's coming down. Wow. Well, that got to me then. The asthma's a lot better over here, but oh, great view of the surrounds here of the sea. A little rocky down there, and that's where the archaeological site is over there from the previous video. Wow. So they've been putting those barricades there. So our hotel's over there. Good view of the boats there. Here, I don't know whether you'll be able to see. I certainly can't. Oh yeah, you can. And the view up there, going even higher to the top of that part. And again, the harbour area. That is an amazing boat down there. To the other side.